You guys, this is my winnings from Discovery by G. Unbox and Discovery by G. I'll put all their information in down bottom. I think it's their 700 to 800 subscriber giveaway. So yeah, let's get into this. Sorry if I'm shaking the thing. Thanks so much for being amazing. Unboxing Discovery by G. And kitties. I keep everybody's cards. That's just my thing. And yeah. So all the goodies. Here. Mineral bath salts, Dream Away, and something hopes. I have these and I haven't used them yet, so there's a second one. Thank you, Gina. And then she sent some masks. Nutritious floral nectar. Peerless, Blue Lotus, and a seaweed. Deep cleaning, pure clean up, skin pure, and hydration. Good Morning AM mask. She gave me a whole bunch of masks. And this is where I keep my mask, you guys, under my clock here. And, okay. She had a palette, a face palette that she was going to send in this bundle. But I told her to keep it because she really wanted to try it, and I already had two. Let me get this so I can show you. And there wasn't no sense of her sending it to me when I already had one. She was going to give me another one of these. This one is actually going out to a friend. It's a face palette, and like I said, I told her to keep it because I already had two, and she really wanted to try it. I told her to keep it for herself and try it. So that way she can try it, and I already had some, so there wasn't no sense of getting another one. What had happened is I accidentally got two Glossy Boxes that year, that last winter, and that was in it. Oh, and she sent me these little pockets. I love these. These are so handy. You can put face mask in these, maybe one of these in here, and carry it in your pocketbook. And if you're on that time of the month, you also can put your pads in there and not have to worry. Oh, and this one's the one that's got the Ipsy inside. That's the inside. I love these little bags. Reminds me of Bumblebee. Black and white. I mean, white, black, and yellow. The yellow and black does. And this little thing of hand sanitizer. And I'm going to put this on my keychain. And a Lottie London. It's a blush. Haze. So pretty. Thank you, Gina. And this matches my other brush, actually. So now I have two. My angle brush and now an eyeshadow brush. These are from All Over Shadow brush. And this is a cheek brush. These are Complex Company, so I'll wear them now. I got 2 of them. She sent me a makeup palette anyways. Nomad X. Oh. You guys, I've got so many makeup palettes here recently, it's funny. Ew. Those are the colors, some of them. Very pretty. That'll be fun to play with. I've been playing quite a bit in my makeup here lately, so yay! I got stuff building up over here that I've got to throw in the trash. And she sent, got squigglies. Makeup eraser 7-day set. In this little box, so cute. On a little suitcase. I'm gonna take some tape and see if I can reinforce that. Oh, they're mini erasers. Yeah, okay, yeah. I have some bigger ones. There's 7 of them. I love that. There's a orange one. Mine and Gina's favorite, purple. There's some pink. Some yellow. Some black. Some red. And some blue. And information. Awesome. Thank you, Gina. I think my son or somebody's peeping around the corner at me. Because that's what they like to do. Spy on mommy. Yeah, that is super cute. I like that. And then we have squiggles. And then we have, I think she just got this one in her Glossy Box. And I wanted to try that. Collagen all-in-one gel. Thank you. She did. And I got one now. Oh boy. It looks like that. Awesome. And then sponge gel. Sponge jelly. Oh my god, that smells so good. Eucalyptus Rain Body Wash Infused Buffer. Oh, I love that. It smells so good. And Airbrush Leg Tanning Water. Yeah, I want to try this because I don't go out in the sun a lot because some of my medicine don't allow me to. So that'll be interesting to try. And we got I'm happy for this, I really am. Last time I won, I got a mask from her, and I absolutely, truly love it. I don't think it's up here. It's over there on the bed. But it was cream colored. This one here is white. So I can give my cream colored one up or a peachy colored one for a bath. And This one's adjustable, so it'll be tighter on my head. So I'm so excited about that. And then it has a scrunchie. And this is what I'm so excited about, you guys. A matching pillowcase. Oh, I can't wait to try this. I'm going to put that on my bed so I can do that. And then she sent a big item. That's why the box is probably so big. These are suitcase packing cubes. Now, this is the thing. I don't travel, but my son goes to his dad's a lot. And he likes things like this. I do travel, but it's not in a suitcase. I use a duffel bag. There's the big size. And then here's one size, and they got pockets in the back where you can put stuff in them. Now, the smaller sizes will work better for me because then I can take it and put our dirty clothes in one. And then this small one, I can put makeup or essentials in. So, and it's really pretty. It's peach and yellow. So, Cell Pack, I think that's what it's called. So, this is what I got from Gina. Thank you, sweetheart. I enjoyed everything. I'm excited about that pillowcase. I've been wanting to try one. These packing cubes, my son will probably steal some of these from me, honestly, because he travels a lot over to his dad's and goes out and does things with them. So last time he got the back scrubber out of the Winnings and took it to the bathroom, put it in there. So nothing goes to waste around here, I promise you that. And yeah, the smaller ones will definitely come in handy for traveling. Only places I really go is to places like Batesville, Arkansas, and maybe Springfield once in a while. But other than that, that's it. Guys, go and check her out if you haven't. Go subscribe to her and tell her that Twitchy Witch send her over, or yeah, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Give me the thumbs up, you guys, because I can really. And if you haven't subscribed, it's really easy. It's free. Just push the button down there, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.